Hey kids, I'm glad that you joined today's session. My name is Mudit and I'm going to help you create luminous monsters in this video. In this video, you will also learn about electrical circuits and you will create your own fluorescent monsters with the help of that. But what exactly is an electrical circuit? An electrical circuit is a path along which electrical current flows from the one end to the other end. Such an electrical circuit always contains a source of electricity. Often this is a battery. If you were to place a LED light on this path, the electricity runs through the light and it illuminates. Inside the bulb, negative current parts collide with positive electrical paths. This makes them lose energy and you can see this energy in the form of a light beam. A LED has a small transparent housing of just a few millimeters. This housing also functions as a lens which increases the light that is released that causes the LED to have negative and a positive side just like a battery. These negative and positive sides are indicated respectively with a plus and minus. The plus pin of the LED is always a little longer, so you can tell the plus and minus sides clearly. Before we are going to make the monster, we are going to practice first.
To practice it, I have downloaded one template from the internet. You can draw this template on a rough sheet with the help of a black marker. Stick the copper tapes on the lines as shown in video. Now take a battery and paste it with the copper tape as shown in video. Make sure that you have pasted the correct side with the copper tape. Now take the LED. Keep in mind that the longer side or the longer leg of the LED is the positive sign and the shorter leg is the negative side. Attach the positive and negative signs as shown on the template. Now fold the template as shown and observe that the LED started glowing. Draw a monster shape on a white paper and cut it out.
Now repeat the steps that we have performed during the practice so that we can make our own paper circuit monster.
Now attach the LEDs and the battery.